Hello everyone, this is Stephen Paulson, Managing Broker for Open Market CRE. Thank you for your interest today in the Riverside Flats multifamily opportunity here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Fort Lauderdale is located in Broward County, just to the north of Miami-Dade County and just south of Palm Beach County. Perfectly located, both central and east, and is the county seat and the most populous city within Broward. Fort Lauderdale is affectionately known as the Venice of America and supports a wide range of economic drivers as the yacht capital of the world. Port Everglades generates over $29 billion of economic activity and directly impacts over 11,000 jobs. Many corporate headquarters have chosen to call Fort Lauderdale home, including AutoNation, Chewy, Citrix, Spirit Airlines, Zimmerman Advertising, Ultimate Software, Secor, and so many more. The 18 units of Riverside Flats itself is located in the old growth canopy and highly desirable neighborhood of Riverside Park. This area is known for being highly walkable with easy bike access to Riverfront Park and downtown activities such as the monthly Jazz Festival, the Broward Center for Performing Arts, Sailboat Bend, Esplanade Park, and Fisherman's Wharf, to name a few. The Riverside Park neighborhood is connected to a downtown that is rapidly evolving as large-scale redevelopment projects are quickly overtaking the skyline, leaving less and less workforce housing, thereby leading to a generously high rental floor for the 18 units here at Riverside Flats. There have been many upgrades to the asset in recent years, including electrical work, roofs, security cameras, new paint, and hurricane impact windows. Each of the interiors were completely gut renovated, as well as featuring newer kitchens, floors, and bathrooms. Most units also feature a fenced-in back area for further enjoyment of Southeast Florida's sun and sand lifestyle. We are actively marketing this asset and have received great early interest. Please reach out to my team and I for further information on this well-appointed multifamily opportunity here in sunny Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.